As rightly said by Mahatma Gandhi ji, by education I mean an all-round drawing of the best in child and man, in body, mind and spirit. Education is the best tool for the development of consciousness and the reconstitution of society. Keeping this in mind, down south in the central region of Karnataka, in Davangere, in the year 1958, a group of spirited philanthropists with the same zeal got together and formed an educational association to spread the light of knowledge in the region. With the blessings of Almighty, we heartily welcome you all to Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology, as popularly known as PIET. PIET is housed in a lush green campus area of over 64 acres. We are standing in front of the administrative wing, which is majorly comprising of the principal chamber, director's chamber, exam section, office, boardroom, huge library, and Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and ENC, E&I, and MCA, reading room, Indira Gandhi National Open University Study Center, and many. A person always doing his best becomes a natural leader just by example, and the leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. With this saying, which best suits our Principal Dr. H.P. Arvind, who is a guiding force and a true source of inspiration for many over here in the field of civil and environmental engineering. He was the head of the civil engineering department and presently working as a principal of BIT.
Bapuji Institute of Engineering was established in the year 1979 under the banner of Bapuji Education Association. This is known as one of the best college in the central part of Karnataka. This is affiliated to Vishweshwar Technical University, Belgaum. This is also recognized to AIC, All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. It is also recognized by UGC under 12B and under 2F and 12B. And this institute was accredited by NAC under A grade. This institute is also accredited by NBA thrice, and we are going for the fourth time of accreditation. This institute is identified as one of the best engineering college in central Karnataka. This institute is having a state-of-art facilities. We are having 9 UG courses and 4 PG courses. Almost 790 intake students are there for first year courses, and almost 222 students for PG courses. Almost about 28,000 students have been passed out from this institute. Here, the most of students are placed well in the all around the globe, and we have got this very good facilities like a very good library, a very good internet facility, all mentoring process, a very good mentoring process, and we are having the IST students chapter, we are having IST staff chapter, we are having the Institute of Engineers membership for the institute as well as for the staff. This is some of the important facilities are there in the institute. And the major thing is most of the eligible students have been given placement with most of the companies. And we are having MOUs with most of the companies. Almost 51 MOUs are there with our institute with different companies.
We are now in front of the director's chamber. We will now get inside and speak with him. Now let me introduce to you all Dr. Y. Rishwendrappa sir, Director, BIT, who has been a pole star and an epitome of discipline.
During 1979, only 12 engineering colleges were there in the state of Karnataka. There was a need for the engineering graduates in the country as country was developing in a fast rate. Realizing this point, Bapuji Educational Association under the leadership of Dr. Shamnu Shivashankarappa, Honorary Secretary, has started Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology in the year 1979. And at that time there were only 5 branches of the courses were offered in this college. Right now we are offering 9 courses under different disciplines. So far, since inception, 25,000 students have graduated from our institute, out of which nearly 10 to 15,000 are working all over the globe. And this is the greatest contribution for the rural people of this area who have pursued their engineering education in our institution and they make their career in a brighter way. The graduates of our institutions are serving in defense, navy, air force, administrative services, and many have become entrepreneurs also.
Namaste. I am Sampan Mutalik, Governing Council member of Bapuji Educational Association. As it has been discussed already, Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology is in fully functional mode from the last 35-40 years. The college started somewhere in 1979 and till date, thousands of students have come out of the institution with flying colors. College, as it is known and popular, has got a NAC A grade certification. The plus point of the college and our educational association is that we have so many industries like sugar, ethanol producing facilities, textile industries attached and allied with our institute. Students will get a first-hand exposure to the industry environment. We are very much interested in outcome-based education, as it is very much clear and evident from the results what we get of the students. We have, as I told, we have a wonderful R&D infrastructure at our institute. Many of the departments, many of the projects have been given a positive ranking by all the assessing authorities. Our management stands with the teaching faculty, the infrastructural facilities, and whatever the modern technology demands, all those demands will be taken care. Management is always with the college. We need to go side by side. Definitely, on behalf of the management, I assure a wholehearted support to all the faculty members wholehearted support for all the infrastructure development and a wholehearted support for all the positive things happening in the college. Thank you.
I am Dr. G.P. Desai. I am working as Professor of Chemical Engineering and I am also working as Dean Public Relations.
I am Dr. S. Kumarappa, working as a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering and also working as a Dean Examination Section.
I am Dr. M.S. Nagaraj, Professor and Head, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Also, I am looking after training and placement as Dean.
Myself, Dr. A.G. Shankarmurthy, working as a Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, and also I am the Dean of Research and Development.
I am Dr. Kanakapi Sadashivappa, working as Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Also, I am working as Dean of Academic Affairs.
I am Dr. K.C. Devendrappa, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and also I am Dean, Alumni Association, BIT.
I am Dr. S.N. Ramesh, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Textile Technology. I am the Dean for Students' Welfare.
Myself, M.E. Ashalata, heading the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. Also, I am working as Dean, Women Welfare Cell of BIT.
I am Dr. Dinesh, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Textile Technology, and also working as Deputy Dean for Academic Activities.
I am Dr. Linda Ginech, working as Associate Professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Also working as Dean for Admission Section.
Myself, Dr. Rupa GM, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am Dean IT and Websites. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Vidita HB, working as Associate Professor in Information Science and Engineering Department, working as Dean Incubation.
So we have Mr. T.C. Rajshekhar sir, who is an office manager.
Sir, is Mr. Arun Kumar, he is looking after account section. Is Mr. Prashant looking after account section number 2. Is Mr. Mallikarjun Gadge, superintendent, he is looking after salary section and establishment non-teaching staff. Is Mr. Nagaraj, he is looking after the store section, sir, purchasing section. Is Mr. Ajaya, he is looking after the store section and the printing and stationery. Is Mr. Siddesh, he is looking after the establishment teaching staff and he is looking after the software. Is Mr. Harish looking after exam section. Is Mr. Divasar looking after exam section. Is Mr. Manjunath exam section. Looking after exam section. PG courses. Is Mr. Jagdish looking after scholarship. Is Mr. Basraj looking dispatch section. So she is Madam Pushpalata, FDA. She is looking after cash section. She is collecting the cash. That is fees, college fees. Is Mr. Rahul Patel. He is looking after cash section. Bhagyamma, FDA, and Pawan Raj, SDA. They are looking after admissions.
I am Dr. S. Kumarappa, working as a Dean Examination. Engineering profession is ever changing due to technical advancement. So in order to cater this, our institute becomes more responsive to the needs of the students. In exam section, we have equipped a team for conducting university exams. We have a separate advanced facilities for printing online question paper. We have a centralized monitoring system and install CCTV cameras in all the classrooms and labs. In addition to this, we have facilities to conduct both offline and online various competitive exams like GATE, NEET, JEE, COMEDK, Banking, KPSC, etc. We have a ERP software for registration of the students, timetable setup, subject-wise allotment, attendance entry, CA marks. In QPS room, we have 3 printers and 1 cyclostyle machine.
Any college to run smooth and swift, there has to be different committees to handle various aspects. We have Dr. Srinivas VR, Associate Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering, to give the insights on various committees and its responsibilities.
For the smooth conduction of the institute and department activities, following committees are being formed. The committees are Academic Committee, Finance Committee, Purchase Committee, Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Training and Placement, Staff Selection Committee, Research and Advisory Committee, Anti-ragging and squad committee. It takes the precautions to avoid ragging activities in the college premises. It resolves the complaints received from the students, if any, verifies and awards disciplinary actions against the culprits. Grievance redressal committee. All the grievances of the students or staffs which could not be settled in the routing process should be referred to this committee. It tries to settle the issues amicably in a time-bound manner. College internal complaint committee. To ensure safe working and learning environment for women employees and girls students in the college premises. To resolve the issues related to women employees and girl students harassments.
VIT has a huge library which has a lot of e-books and e-journals with high-tech digital library and is handled well by Dr. K.V. Manjunath, librarian.
I am Dr. K.V. Manjunath, librarian working as since 1996. Library is an essential integral part of the library institutions which helps staff students to enhance their knowledge through various resources. VIT library is housed in the administrative block and having 3 floors with mezzanine, 2 mezzanine floors. Measuring in area of 2,661 and having a seating capacity of 600 students at a time. At present, library has 1,46,114 books, including 24,375 e-books, and having a 26,753 titles, reports, back volumes, PhD thesis, handbooks, etc. To cater the needs of the staff, students, library to have easy and speedy access to the library collections. Library housekeeping operations of the library have been automated using the EasyLib software package. Digital library ID card will be issued to the students and staff, which will be used for both as a library card as well as identity card of the institutions. It has adopted open access systems and maintains online public access catalog and provide easy access to the stocks. The library subscribes more than 149 journals and 1,661 e-journals and the 24,375 e-books of different publishers such as Science Direct, Taylor Francis, Springer and New Age McGrail publications through VTU Consortium. Library is a member of VTU Consortium and also a member of National District Library Club. Library provides services of different sections borrowing, book bank, reference section, digital library with high-speed internet facilities. It provides some of the ICT enabled services such as computerized issue return, Wi-Fi internet enabled internet services, web pack, and remote access e-resources using K-Nimbus, Turnitin plagiarism, plagiarism software for researchers, and access to Scopus through VTU Consortium. He is assistant library Shakuntala. He is working as a circulation subscription and acquisition section.
printer, one of the facility available in Bapuji Institute of Engineering Technology. Using these 3D printers, so models can be developed, and this is very useful for the projects developed by mechanical, civil and all the department of our institute. Many projects have already developed.
Now we are in the Internet Lab, especially made for the first year students.
I am Dr. Shankar Goda, BP, Assistant Professor. Brief introduction about the Internet Lab. The Internet facility especially made for the first year students. Internet service provider Airtel. The 100 Mbps leased line RF. The Internet Lab is having 60 computer systems and sufficient backup power supply. Internet Lab opens at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
I am myself Dr. B. Vasarajappa, Professor and Head of the Department of Chemistry. And we have 6 faculty members in the department, 3 PhDs, 3 PGs, 3 supporting staff. This is our chemistry research lab. We have these instruments. This is our engineering chemistry practicing laboratory for first year students.
Geeta VK, Assistant Professor, heading the Department of Physics. My colleague Nagaraj MD, pursuing PhD. Mr. Manjana PM, Kavita PG, Assistant Professor, Dr. Niranjana M, Dr. Krishna Kumar TK. This is our well-equipped physics laboratories.
Dr. Basaraj, heading the Department of Mathematics. In our department, there are 10 faculty members. Out of 10 faculty members, 5 faculty members are PhD holders, and 7 faculty candidates have been awarded PhD from this center.
So this lab is set up during the year 2018. So it will be giving facilities for all the interdisciplinary branches. Like we have got 10 branches which are going to learn the concept of basic electrical engineering.
Separate setup for a C programming lab for all the first year students, and we are having a 33 systems in the laboratory, and all are connected to an internet, and as well as the major thing is we have a Turbo C++ laboratory and Dave C++ software. The students of the first year should have the internet facility and as well as the language lab. Why we need a language lab? The language lab we need because our college they will be getting an admission from a commodity from different states, and from our college as it is placed in the rural area, and we get up people from the rural also. the student they face problem in English communication skills. That's why we have an ETNL software is there for exclusive for the first year students and for the higher semester students to make them preparation for a placement so that they can use this ETNL software and they can make their proficiency in the English language.
My name is Dr. K.C. Devendrappa, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering and Workshop Superintendent, BIT Davangere. This is a central workshop. All first year students are carried out the project work here only. Along with also some of the project work also carrying here. Fabrication work also done here. Okay, this central workshop can be divided into the 4 divisions: machine shop, fitting section, welding section and smithy sections. Okay, these 4 sections and get 10 number of staff members are there here.
Dr. M.S. Nagaraj sir, Professor and HOD of Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, and who is also the Dean of Training and Placement Cell.
Myself, Dr. M.S. Nagaraj, Dean Training and Placement. So, training and placement is one of the important department in any engineering college. It plays very important role in the overall development, including quality of admission. So, in the training and placement department, normally we conduct training as well as placement. So, up to pre-final year, we used to conduct training by reputed trainers like Kriya, Aero Technology, Seven Sense, and Face, and so on. And during the final year, that is in 7th semester, normally we conduct the placement will starts, and more than 50 companies used to visit every year for the placement. And these companies are MNC companies like TCS, Infosys, GigSky, Danla, Quicksilver, and so on. So every year, more than 80% of students used to place in different companies, and the package ranging from 24 lakhs per annum to 3.5 lakhs per annum.
In the Lord Basaveshwara Seminar Hall, which is conducted for the pre-placement talks, and also it is having the seating capacity of more than 250.
Distinguished feature of the mechanical department is the product development cell. So, wherein the several student projects are being transformed to the actual products and which can be marketed. So, amongst this, we have a document laminating machine. This is called a Surakshit document laminator, and these are the products which have been manufactured in our own laboratory with the CNC facility. And also we have a steady rest which is going to be used to hold the slender workpieces, and this is a direct vacuum pump which is also developed here, and this is the chemograph. This is related with the biomedical instrumentation. So like that we have developed so many products which can be commercialized in the market.
has been identified by Department of IT, BT, Science and Technology, Government of Karnataka as one of the innovative center, and it has sanctioned a 1.2 crore of grants for various projects which are going to be established in the institute premises. So in the first year we have been sanctioned 10 projects worth of 21.67 lakhs, and in the second phase also 10 projects has been sanctioned for the amount of 23 lakhs, and various projects has been conducted by students, and many projects has been displayed in the Department of 9 in the institute. This is the Fabrofill machine, one of the products developed in the phase 1 of one of 9 projects.
I'm Dr. Ravindra KB, head of the Department of Textile Technology, and I am also the in charge for this Center of Excellence section. And we have in Center of Excellence we have many modern latest equipments which are being used for various research activities by textile students, and some even the dental materials and the mechanical composite materials are tested here.
This is CAC Lab. We have received grants to the tune of 30 lakhs from EGT Government of Karnataka, and we have purchased equipments. This is supercritical extractor. We have paid around 17 lakhs for this. So this is pump and this is extractor, and we extract essentials from herbs and plants using this equipment.
I'm Srijana, biotechnology student. We have prepared pesticidal vermiwash. It is the vermicompost pit. The extract which we obtained is acts as both a biopesticide and biofertilizer. Sponsored by NAIN, Government of Karnataka.
My name is Dr. K.C. Devendrappa, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. This is Industry Institute Partnership Cell which coordinates various industry-related projects and which concentrates on industry relation works.
I am Vinay MP, Assistant Professor from Department of ISND. We have 1,250 systems in the college that all are connected to the internet, and this is the main important, the server room, where we have a ERP server and we have also an internet server. From here, throughout the college, the internet will be sent, and throughout from here only, the ERP, the software will be running. So the major other thing of this is we have 20 legal system softwares, and we have 1 or 2 application softwares we are having in our college, and all the 1,250 systems are connected to the internet. The major advantage of our college is, our institute is, each and every college or each and every technical institute, internet facility should be very good for our students. The same way we are having 2 lease line connections of 100 Mbps and 7 broadband connections of 100 Mbps throughout the college, and there is a Wi-Fi facility for all the departments in all over the institute campus.
Dr. Kaleshappa, I am in charge of this reverse osmosis unit. We have installed 2 units, each having capacity 1,000 liters per hour.
I am Ravi Kumaresh, senior engineer at this institute from 1989 till today. We are constructed rainwater harvesting of each buildings. This is one of the main buildings we are constructed here, and this is the main concept is terrace water collected to this water tank and also surface water of this tank, and this concept it is increasing the groundwater for the borewell.
For any college, we need a ladies' room, and the girls will be availing these facilities. And we shall have a look at what all facilities are available in this particular ladies' room.
Myself, Professor Ashlata, I am in charge for a ladies' room, which is made available in our institute. And in this room, we have the facility for girl students of our institute to relax during the break time, and also they can carry out their assignments and all.
I am Karivasraju TS. Actually, I am working as a campus electrical maintenance, and campus is connected with a captive DG sets here. Nearly 3 DG sets are there. Actually, one is 500 kVA. Okay, it's a Cummins make actually, and automatic actually panel. And one more is actually what a 200 kVA generator. Actually, one more actually what a 180 kVA generator. And college is supplied with actually what 2 transformers of actually 250 kVA transformers. It will do actually what parallel operation, and 1 load breaker switch. We are having actually good maintained actually substation.
Myself, Lieutenant Anjaneya, Associate NCC Officer of BIET 3-car Engineering Group. NCC was established in the year 2004. I took the in charge of NCC of BIET unit from 2008. For past 13 years, I am carrying out the NCC events at BIET College of Engineering. So NCC basically gives the exposure towards the military aspects, theory as well as the rifle training, march past, and more we focus on unity and discipline. So where we are going to train the students to cultivate the discipline and the secularism. So in the duration of 3 years of NCC training, we are going to undergo camps which are categorized as RD camp, CATC camp, and different leadership camps and all. And the more credential to our institute is 2 of our NCC cadets have joined the Indian Army through SSB, one during the year 2014 and the other cadet from 2016.
I am Dr. Krishna Kumar, working as a Assistant Professor in the Department of Physics and also as an NSS Program Officer from the Video Technological University, Belagavi. In our college, we are conducting so many programs regarding to the social responsibilities of the blood donation camp, village camp, and pulse polio programs.
I am the program coordinator of Youth Red Cross Wing of our institute. Youth Red Cross Wing is one of the wings of Indian Red Cross Society. The age group of 18 to 25 are the members of Youth Red Cross Wing. So in our college, Youth Red Cross has started in the year 2006 and 7. So all the students of our institute are the members of Youth Red Cross Wing. I am the in charge of BIT Health Center. BIT Health Center has started in the year 2006 and 7. The main objective of starting Health Center in BIT campus is taking care of students' physical and mental health, counseling the students, and educating the students in participating yoga, meditation, vipassana courses. Welcome to the Department of Sports. Myself, Shukumar Swami GM, Assistant Professor in Electrical and Electronic Departments. So I'm also looking to the Department of Sports.
So now I am going to introduce our physical director, Sri Mupesh Badami, along with supporting staff, Sri Girish.
I'm a sports person. I represented Indian team in Sepak Takraw World Championship and represented university team also. I am working as a physical education director in this institution. We are having good sports facilities here like cricket, independent ground and volleyball, football and throwball and lawn tennis, basketball separately we are having, and indoor also we are having 2 badminton ground and table tennis, chess.
With Dr. S. Suresh sir, in charge of this magnificent auditorium.
This SS Mallikarjun Cultural Center was constructed at BIT for students, staff and members of Bapuji Educational Association for the purpose of education, social and cultural activities. This was built during the year 2017 and was inaugurated by the then Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Siddaramaiah ji. It is the state-of-art auditorium with a seating capacity of 680 members. It is provided with Bosch audio system, Harad design from Germany for acoustic control. It is provided with centralized AC system from Daikin. The projector is from Christia, Canada. The stage is provided with well computerized podium, well controlled podium. Distinguished dignitaries like Sri Ravi Shankar Guruji of Art of Living, Sri Rahul Gandhi, AICC President, were visited this. The total cost of this auditorium is 24 crore rupees. This alumni guest house was constructed in the year 2003. So by the contribution from the distinguished alumni of BIT, and it was designed, constructed by the faculties of Civil Engineering Department. This guest house will be used by the various distinguished faculty members and guests who will be visiting our institute, as well as the faculties from various departments. The approximate cost of this building at that time was around 1 crore. BEA guest house related to our association. It was inaugurated in the year 1999 by SS Mallikarjun sir, which is having 12 suite rooms which can accommodate the distinguished guests who will be visiting our association, and it is having all facilities related to the accommodation requirements.
are now with Dr. Manavendra G. Sir, Professor and HOD of Mechanical Department, who also happens to be a head warden of Campus Hostel. And I would like to request him to give the insights of Campus Hostel.
Hostel was established in 1984 with the 3 blocks, Kalyana, Kalpataru, Kamadenu. In this, the 3 block, round about the 600 students are to be accommodated with the 200 rooms. The hostel having 2 dining halls. One is for the North Indian and another one the South Indian mess. In the other hostel was a space area of 4.5 acres and built up the area is around about 13 square feet. In the hostel, we have 2 dining halls for the mess. And in all the hostel, we have all the facilities are to be provided. We are providing indoor the gym, the indoor sports hall, and we are providing the 125 kVA the generator for the students, and multi-gym the facilities are to be provided. And for the indoor games, we have a shuttle badminton, TT, the carom and chess to be provided.
The warden of Amruta Ladies Hostel, and she is my deputy warden, Dr. Vinuta HP, and she will tell you about the details of the Amruta Hostel.
Our hostel is established in the year 2008 and which is located in the campus itself. And we have well-built hostel building with a 5,029 square meters area and 104 rooms, and 320 students are accommodated in those rooms. We have 2 dining halls and spacious kitchen and 1 big living room in our hostel. For entertainment purpose, we have a facility called a tennis court, table tennis, chess and carom board.
Student Academic Council BIET is formed by electing, nominating students from various departments of BIET. Inauguration of Student Academic Council is carried out by conducting marathon, cultural programs and paper presentations. Every year, Davana, the college cultural program, is conducted, and thousands of students from BIET and other colleges participate in Davana cultural program. Students are encouraged to participate in youth festival.
IGNOU Study Center started in the year 1995. So from that day onwards, it is operating and it is offering various degree, post-graduation, PG, diploma courses.
BIT MBA program is being very efficiently headed by Dr. Sujit Kumar SHR, Professor and HOD of Department of BIT MBA program.
Myself, Dr. Sujit Kumar SH, Professor and Head MBA program BIT. Department established in the year 1996 with world-class infrastructure and learning ambience. We offer degree MBA program with marketing, finance, and HR as core specialization. Along with we also offer dual specialization. Department also offers PhD program to boost the research activity in the campus. We have faculty with rich experience and vast knowledge.
Seen different disciplines of BIT till now, and I hope I have covered everything that is required to say that the BIT is at its best. Thanks for being with us.